Here we're looking at the small Sears Emerson plastic fan, which also uses a K55. This one, like I said before, is not a designer. Sears didn't name a lot of their fans. The designer is a bit different, although it's similar, but this specific model is not a designer. Now, this is all plastic. Everything is plastic, obviously, except for the flywheel and down rod. But motor housing, blades, and all that are plastic. Also, the blade arms, they're not plastic, they're metal. But, this is an older version, it's not reversible. I don't know if this size ever came reversible, but the 52-inch did on the later models. And the reason the canopy is not up, I'll put on low speed. The reason the canopy is not up is because the plastic is very old and weak that the canopy screws onto. As you can see, it is shaking around a bit. But yeah, the plastic is pretty weak. So therefore, I didn't want to really tighten it a lot. It's starting to crack as it is. This is also a 2-speed. The 52 or 54-inch ones were 3-speed. This one is 2-speed. I don't know if this size ever came reversible or 3-speed. Here's high speed. It moves along pretty good. It moves a fair amount of air and doesn't shake too bad. It shakes more on low than anything. I like this fan a lot. Really sways when it spins down here and speeds up. This is just a quick little video of this fan. I don't mean to make the video seem rushed or anything. I'm in a bit of a hurry right now. Now, as I mentioned on the other video of the larger one, this came out of a house along with ERS American Art Series, if you remember that fan. The ERS was in the listing on Facebook Marketplace, and the guy said, well, I got a few other fans, and I took the 2 plastic fans out. It was the ERS and these 2 fans that were basically the good ones. All the other fans were pieces of junk. Just little generic huggers and other things like that. Some Hampton Bays. So that's all for this Sears Emerson plastic fan. There'll probably be another video just because I'm in a hurry right now, but for now that's all I got for this fan.